The 24-foot Sea Phantom RHIB, which stands for Rigid Inflatable Boat, is considered as the monster truck of the ocean. Inflatable high-speed boats are used by military forces all over the world. It is the boat's incredible performance and agility that makes the boat the first-hand choice for military forces. Offshore and rough weathers are the main purpose for vessels like this. SSMG uses this RIB, or is also called RHIB, Rigid Hull Inflatable Boat, as a troop deployment vessel during military simulated operations. With the capacity of carrying 8 to 10 men with full combat gear, the naval pilots of SSMG can insert troops in almost any weather. Just ahead, a search and rescue exercise is taking place, where a person is being ascended off the deck of a boat onto the helicopter. Traveling at a speed of 50 to 55 knots at a depth of only 0.8 meters, troops can be inserted just about anywhere both day and night. The RHIB is intercepting the rescue operation slowly from a safe distance. A distance which otherwise could be covered in seconds. If anything would go wrong, the RHIB could perform an instant rear approach. The boat and helicopter crew safely succeeded with the extraction operation. You can also experience SSMGs RIB at our airsoft military simulated events.